Welcome to our podcast, where we uncover the most important and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss why you might see a green flash at sunset. As the sun sets and the light starts to dim, some lucky onlookers may spot a rare, brief flash of emerald green. This is known as the green flash, which can sometimes be witnessed right after sunset or before sunrise. Sunlight, like a rainbow, has a hidden punch of color. Normally, it appears white because it blends all the colors of the visible spectrum. But when sunlight dives towards the horizon, it travels through a thicker layer of air. This air acts like a prism, bending different colors at slightly different angles. This winding is called refraction, and this is why you see emerald green flash at sunset or sunrise. Refraction is noticeable when the sun gets closer to the horizon, because sunlight is entering the thickest part of the atmosphere at a particularly sharp angle. This is when the green flash may be visible. In coastal areas like San Francisco, one can most likely spot the green flash on warmer days, when there's a layer of warm air on top of colder water, said Jan Null, a meteorologist based in California. You also need to be able to have a direct line of sight of the sun on a clear day to see the green flash, which is easier said than done. So Null recommended using a camera with a zoom lens to capture the green flash. Zooming in on the sun also makes tiny flashes more visible. Green flashes usually happen in less than a second. But if you're lucky, a green flash could shine for a minute or two. It's really weird when you see green in the sky, Cortiel said, which is likely why the green flash is so intriguing. So, the next time you're watching a sunset, indulge in that fascination. That's all from this podcast. Thanks for listening. We have many more such compelling episodes for you. Enjoy them. Do share your opinion in the comment box and subscribe to us for more.